Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So I just want to do a fast tutorial today. One of a fans said I should do a breakdown for him on this song, Ada by Flavour. So he said he wants to play it on a wedding performance this Saturday, so I have to rush and do this breakdown for him. So it just goes like this. I'll be playing on F sharp, but the key I'm on is on E flat. E flat, that is D sharp for anyone. So it goes like this. You understand? So that is mi so mi re do. That is the beginning. That is mi so mi re do fa. Fa so mi re do mi. Do re mi fa mi re do ti do. This is also how it goes. Have you seen my beautiful baby? Have you seen my tomato baby? Oh. So that is how it goes. So the beginning you play mi so mi re do fa, fa so mi re do mi. There you go. Do re mi fa mi re do ti do. Let me start it again. Let me take it slowly, guys. Mi so mi re do fa. There you go. Fa so mi re do mi. There you go. Do re mi fa mi re do ti do. Then the song starts. Have you seen my beautiful baby? You just be adding some melody. Like if you are using ocarina, that is if there is a lead guitar is there. You don't need to be soloing. You just be see my romantic baby, yo. You understand? Baby, something like cool me temper. But if there is no guitarist, you have to play the lead line. You just be adding some feeling. Have you seen my tomato baby? Can just be adding some lead line, but I don't know if there's a lead guitarist there. You can, even though there's a lead guitarist, you can also use this ocarina. So I don't know the one you are using. I don't know if there is a lead guitar, but let me just assume there is no lead guitarist, that you will be the one to play the solo and everything. So let me do it this way. Have you seen my beautiful baby? Have you seen my tomato baby? Oh, iyele, baby, sofri de kulumi temper. Baby, na sugar, eh? Yo, everybody they wait. So, once they start, have you seen my beautiful baby? Falafare, have you seen my tomato? You understand? Guys, have you seen my beautiful baby? Have you seen my tomato baby? Baby, something they could me say. Baby, na sugar. Everybody they wait. You can't get no. If any be a maka, they can soup na don't kill am. Ada mama peke mia. Ada. Yo. So just know that the progression goes like this. Guys, have you seen my beautiful baby? Oh? Then go, guys, far. Then go, no. Have you seen my pure mantle, baby? Oh, so. Yele do, baby, stop with the cool me temper. Then go back to do. Baby, no sugar, so. Yo, everybody they wait. That's just how the progression go. You can even just be playing anything. Just know that you are doing. Have you seen my beautiful baby? Have you seen my tomato baby? You can just be playing simple thing like this, like if you are a beginner. The main thing is that once you get the intro correctly, you can just be adding some chord to it. I was thinking it will be rhyming. Just keep adding some chord. Just get the intro. So thanks for watching, friends. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. God bless you all.